Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best 8-ball beads is probably one of the most versatile and visually striking additions you can make to your collection, offering a unique blend of classic aesthetics and modern appeal that is sure to turn heads and spark conversations. Whether you're looking to enhance your existing setup or embark on a new creative journey, these beads provide an exceptional starting point, promising durability, a satisfying tactile experience, and a timeless design that never goes out of style. Prepare to be captivated by their simple yet profound elegance. Number 5. Hape Pound and Tap Bench with Slide-Out Xylophone. Introducing the Hape Pound and Tap Bench, a musical toy designed for little ones. It's perfect for exploring sounds and melodies. Watch as they pound the balls, sending them down to play a delightful tune on the xylophone. It's a wonderful way to discover rhythm. You can even pull out the xylophone to play music directly on the keys. This offers even more ways to create melodies and have fun. This toy is crafted with the highest quality, non-toxic finishes, ensuring it's safe for your child. It's an award-winning design built to last. Designed for toddlers aged 12 months to 3 years, it provides hours of engaging and educational play. Let the musical adventures begin. What we like. This toy offers a delightful dual experience of pounding and musical exploration. The integrated xylophone provides an easy way to introduce children to melodies and rhythms. If you are looking for a safe, engaging, and educational toy for toddlers that encourages sensory development and musicality, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The balls are just the right size for her hand, and loves those on their own. Pushing the balls through the holes is really fun to her. You have to push just a little to get them to go through. It's a good challenge, but it never frustrates her. The xylophone tinkling as it rolls down is very satisfying. It's also fun on its own to make music. Then the hammer option is another element that she thinks is fun. All these things help her develop her motor movements. It's a smart toy. It combines the Montessori ball drop, music, hammer, etc. Quality is fabulous and it looks nice. The craftsmanship is wonderful, it's extremely sturdy. Even all the removable parts and constructed very well. You can tell that this company really cares about quality. Here's a breakdown of how the toy works. When the xylophone and the balls are all in place, the child hammers each ball through, takes a 2 to 3 taps, and the ball rolls down the xylophone hitting the metal pieces making a pleasant sound on its way. It's very easy to use, and it's an easy concept for the learning toddler. The xylophone is removable if the child feels like just a jam sesh on it, which is great. It has a little handle for easy portability and my little one likes to just run around with it sometimes. The mallet head is rubberized, so it doesn't make a terribly loud noise but is still fun for the child. The inner rings of the ball placement holes are also rubberized to hold them in place when the child is hitting them. The ring of color around each hole matches the corresponding ball, which creates an opportunity for color matching. All edges are nicely rounded and the finishes paint seam durable. The xylophone is good quality and fun. Number 4. FASHEWELRY 12mm Acrylic No. 8 Beads. Introducing our unique acrylic beads, designed with the iconic No. 8 pattern. These beads are perfect for adding a special touch to your creations. Crafted from high-quality acrylic, these beads offer a smooth finish and resist discoloration. They are lightweight and comfortable for any application. These beads are incredibly versatile, ideal for parties, jewelry making, or home decor. They effortlessly enhance any festive atmosphere. With their consistent patterns, these beads are a practical choice to brighten up your celebrations. They are perfect for creating unique decorations for your home. Featuring a convenient pre-drilled hole, these beads are easy to work with. They pair perfectly with various cords for seamless crafting. Unleash your creativity with these easy-to-use beads. They are ideal for a wide range of DIY projects, from bracelets to home accents. What we like. These beads are crafted from smooth, non-discoloring acrylic, featuring a classic No. 8 billiard design. Their lightweight nature makes them comfortable for wear and easy to incorporate into various crafts. If you're planning DIY projects for parties, creating jewelry, or decorating, and need a bulk supply of versatile and visually appealing beads, these are a fantastic option. What people say. I would add they are above the average quality. I got them so I could make bracelets for the Fall Out Boy concert in March and I am so happy at how they are turning out. Super cute, definitely recommend. Number 3. FASHEWELRY 50PC Black 8mm Porcelain Billiards Beads. Introducing our exquisite set of 50 porcelain billiard beads, each 8mm in diameter. These charming beads are perfect for adding a unique touch to your handmade jewelry and crafts. Made from high-quality porcelain, these beads are not only delicate and smooth but also feature a vibrant color that resists fading. They are designed for easy care, ensuring they remain beautiful over time. Unleash your creativity with these versatile beads. They are ideal for making bracelets, necklaces, dream catchers, and various other decorative items for parties, holidays, or everyday decor. Featuring a classic number 8 ball design, these black beads are perfect for themed events like Halloween and Christmas. They also serve as a stylish addition to your home decor, complementing any setting. Each bead is conveniently pre-drilled with a central hole, making them easy to thread. They are compatible with a variety of cords, including crystal thread, tiger tail, and nylon cord, for seamless crafting. What we like. These handmade porcelain beads offer a delicate and smooth feel with a vibrant, fade-resistant color. Their compact 8mm size and classic number 8 design make them perfect for detailed jewelry and craft projects. If you appreciate the elegance of porcelain and are looking for smaller, high-quality beads for intricate bracelet or necklace designs, these are ideal. What people say. I would add they are above the average quality. I got them so I could make bracelets for the Fall Out Boy concert in March and I am so happy at how they are turning out. Super cute, definitely recommend. Number 2. Learning Resources Farmers Market Color Sorting Set. Discover a fun way to learn essential skills. This set helps children practice color recognition, sorting, and counting through engaging play. Crafted from soft, durable plastic, these realistic fruits and vegetables are perfectly sized for little hands and built to withstand playtime. This educational toy is perfect for children 18 months and up. It adapts from simple color matching to imaginative market play and counting activities as they grow. Familiarize your child with a variety of fruits and vegetables. This can help foster positive attitudes towards healthy eating from an early age. This complete play set includes sturdy sorting baskets with color labels and detailed produce pieces in 5 vibrant colors, along with an activity guide. What we like. This set provides a fun and interactive way for children to learn about colors, sorting, and healthy foods. The realistic-looking fruits and vegetables are made from soft, durable plastic, perfect for little hands. If you want to foster early learning skills like color recognition and counting, while also encouraging an interest in nutrition through imaginative play, this is a great educational tool. What people say. The beads are a good size and weight, perfect for crafting. These 8-ball beads have a smooth finish and a consistent design. The holes in the beads are well drilled, making them easy to string. Number 1. 300 PCS 8mm Natural Wood Spacer Beads. Introducing our pack of 300 natural wood spacer beads, each measuring 8mm in diameter. These are perfect for all your crafting needs. These unfinished beads are smooth with no rough edges, making them comfortable to handle. The holes are perfectly sized for easy stringing. Made from natural wood, their surfaces are well polished and ready for you to doodle or color. Personalize your own decorations and crafts with ease. These are great for a variety of craft projects. You can create beautiful bracelets, necklaces, dream catchers, and more. They are also ideal for home and party decorations. Let your creativity shine and make your space unique. These beads are the ideal solution for your creative needs. They will help you create personalized gifts and lasting memories. What we like. These natural wood beads are smooth, unfinished, and come in a generous pack of 300, offering endless creative possibilities. Their natural aesthetic and the ability to doodle or color them make them perfect for personalized crafts. If you enjoy DIY projects and are looking for a large quantity of versatile, natural material beads to create custom jewelry, decorations, or gifts, these are an excellent value. What people say. The pack of 100 is generous, and every bead was smooth, consistent in size, and ready to use, no splinters or rough edges. They have a nice natural wood finish that's perfect for staining, painting, or leaving as is for a rustic look. The small hole size is good so they don't move around sideways on the cord or seem loose. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.